All right, welcome back to the job site, and today we're at the boat docks. We're going to show you everything that we've done, and we're also going to talk about all the different challenges it took for us to complete this job. And we're still doing some work here, and we're going to show you what we're going to do and everything that we've done. So right here we put a storefront in this boat dock, and the challenge was that it was not level. Nothing's level in this place. So one of the difficult challenges was to put a square frame in an unlevel floor. So that was pretty interesting. But the whole concept is really gnarly, and you got an interior storefront, and it's on a boat dock, man. That's amazing. All right, so right now we're making our templates for our panels on this handrail. What makes it unique is that it has an angle to it. So what we got is this board right here, so we can make a template off of it, so we can give an accurate measurement so that we can get it right the first time. So it takes a little bit of time. The process is a little bit longer than it would be for these rectangular, more square panes or panels, but so this is the steps that we have to take. It takes a little bit longer, but it actually makes it better. So that's our full process right now of getting our templates, and we're sending it off to the vendor. Now you get to see the challenges of installing storefront and handrails on a boat dock in the middle of Travis County.